Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be doing a different video from normal. Instead of riding bikes, we're going to be fixing them. So today's video I'm going to be doing a top end. This is going to be the first part. This part is just going to be me disassembling the bike, getting it ready to change the piston out. So we're going to start off with draining the coolant. And it's pretty tight. I'm going to get an actual wrench. No, it is 10. There you go. Might get some more better torque on it. Man, are you kidding me? I'm gonna get a 10 socket. Speed up the process. This is a 10. Oh, it's the small wrench. I don't know where that is. Okay, I got the wrench. Let's see. Just gonna crack it loose before I start. I get just this is not the best hammer, but it's what I can, and it'll work. Dang, it's tight. Holy crap. There we go. That took a while. Are you kidding me? You have to do this to me. Let me. Okay. Just a second. This is why you put cardboard. See, this is why you put stuff under your bike, because of when stupid things like that happen. I'm gonna put, that's strange, I don't know why that's wet. I'm going to put my a towel under there, because I don't want to be making a big mess. And by all means, this is not a tutorial of how to do this. I'm just showing you guys how I'm doing it. And I am going to be following all the manual's instructions. So, I'd not like this thing to blow up again. So, radiator cap is off, and I'm going to scoot this over. Really? Really? Thank you. Now, this flow should be a whole lot better. There we go. Ooh. Is that it? And everything? I'd say that's everything. Why is that? Okay. Really? Really? There we go. That's not clean. Okay. So, got the coolant drained. Now I'm going to take tank and seat off, pipe off, and then cylinder and all that stuff. Beautiful. Okay, I am gonna go clean myself off now. Be right back. So I put the radiator cap back on, got everything tightened up. Now I'm going to take the seat, tank off, and pipe. Okay. Just want an 8 mil. The seat is off. Put the belt back in. Well, if you guys need a penny, here's one for you. And by the way, I'm changing my top end kit. Well, that came off. But I'm changing my top end kit at 55.6 hours. So, the manual recommends every 40 to 60 hours. So I'd say I'm just in time. I already cleaned the air filter. That's clean. It's just come time to do the piston. And when I do a full top end, I'm gonna change all the power valve gaskets, clean the whole thing. I really, oh, fuel's already off. Whoops. I'm gonna get pliers to take the fuel hose off. Okay. kidding me? You're doing it to me? You're doing this to me? Okay. Yeah. I'm going to be using this bucket to hold my gas tank up, only because I don't really have anything else to put it on. There we go. And the tank comes, supposed to come up and off. Yeah. Wow, okay. I don't want this thing tipping over, so I'm going to be resting it against this. Oh, that is awesome. Okay. Pipe. I gotta take the pipe off. So, get you guys situated for that. Okay, time to take the pipe off. And start with the springs. This mount right here is broken, so I'm not even going to take it off. I need a new pipe anyways. Previous owner dropped it on this, so. Okay. Hang on, I'm going to get the pipe springs off and I'll put you guys back on. Holy crap, guys. I got the exhaust springs off. And according to the manual, so the previous owner, I'll just show you if I can even get it off. So, kind of crusty, very crusty. And this one. So, if you can see on camera, see how this one's a little bit thicker? According to the manual, one thicker one on the left side of the bike and the thinner one on the right to kind of balance out. Previous owners did not do that. No hate on the previous owners, just saying. No hate, no hate. And boy, these are crusty. I mean, it makes sense as they are the springs attached to the exhaust of a two-stroke. How many minutes are we going so far? 14. Wow, this is going by pretty fast. Expecting it to take a couple hours. Yeah. I mean, there's no valves and stuff, so it should only take, in theory, only take maybe an hour at longest. What is this? It's a big boy. Say this is a 12. I'm guessing it's a 12. This is 11. Tell me I did 12 mil. Oh, it's 11. Oh, what? It's a 10? It's a 10, guys. Never mind. Never mind. I'll focus it more. Dang it. I'm gonna get some quick towels. Okay. Got some paper towels. Wipe off underneath here. No way this is still attached. What? Interesting. What the hell? Guess I didn't clean off my screen. Okay. Now. Yes, thank you. Come on. Oh. Sorry if my fat head is in the way. There we go. Oh, man. That's pretty crusty. But it is to be expected, so. Yeah, I think I'll take a Scotch-Brite to this tomorrow, because it is like 7, 8 o'clock out at night. But yeah, I'm going to take a Scotch-Brite to this tomorrow, clean it up, make it look nice and fresh and new. So we go, here's our top end, or not top end, there's our exhaust. That's pretty crusty in there. Take it, after all the washes I've given this thing, still does not end up getting clean. What is this? This is 12. Looks like a 12. I'm assuming it's 12. I smell a lot of gas. Okay. I am assuming this is a 12. Where's my T-Rex? There it is. 12? Ooh. More like 14, I see. Yep. Is it 14? It's not, it's 13. Yes. Okay. It's gonna take some loving. Nope. Nope. Let's see. I think I'm gonna need 2 of these, and I have, just so happen to have 2 of these. 14, 13, here we go. Oh. Well, it's good to know that whoever did this top end last did torque these down properly. Okay, man. Oh, out and it's a little bit easier. There we go. Okay. Let me adjust the camera a little bit for you guys. Make it so you can see more what's going on. So now I'm going to take the spark plug out. Put this up here. There you go. Spark plug out. And I think it's 15 though. Oh. I don't know then. Well, I'm going to take spark plug out. And then take this coolant hose off. What are these? I think these are 12. Come on. Please behave. Okay. And this is, I don't know how old the spark plug is. Never changed it yet. It's wet. I think it's just burnt oil. But I don't know, that's strange. I think it's probably just gas, but it doesn't smell like anything. Spark plug can go there. Now, coolant line. Are you kidding me? Okay. Hang on, guys. I'm just going to get this off real quick. Okay, got the hose clamp off. Now I just want to... This is very stuck on. So I just want to go around the edge with the flathead. Hopefully break it free. There we go. And I guess just put that this side. Cause kind of in my way. Okay. And I'm pretty sure. Oh, what the hell? Hang on. Yeah, it's got some compression left. A little. Not very much. You kidding me? Not very much left. But it's got some. And pretty sure these are 10s. Okay. Interesting. Are you kidding me? Where did my 10 go? 8, 9, 10. What the hell? Whatever, I guess I'll just use the ratcheting one, which it works just fine. Oh, it's right here. I'm blind. Nope, I'm going with ratcheting. This is more like a 9. What the hell? No? Huh.
Please don't drop tools.
Okay. What am I doing? What is this? 13. Where's my 10? Lost my 10 again. Oh, that's gonna... I don't know how I'm gonna get a socket in there to torque it down. Because that's kind of a pain. But a socket is gonna be a lot more... it's gonna be a lot thinner than a wrench. So, no way, bro. Don't tell me that's stripped. That's a... wait. What is this? This is a 10. I'm gonna get an actual... oh wait, I have an actual socket right here. Yes. What the hell? Is that a coolant? I guess that's a coolant bolt. That's interesting. I don't know why you have a coolant vent bolt on the top of your cylinder head. Maybe it's just me who finds that strange. And this is not the first two-stroke cylinder I've taken off my KE100. I did a piston on that. But that was air-cooled, so... but I don't think it's going to be much different then. Or I don't think this is much different. Oh, well, it does have power valve, but that's... I don't think that's going to be that different. Sure, every one of these is completely loose. And this is going to get a good cleaning. The cylinder, get good cleaning. Probably going to hone it, depending on how much it's going to need it. Which I think it's definitely going to need it. Are these bolts? What the hell? These are bolts. KTMs. Those Austrians. Nothing against Austrians, it's just strange design. I think they'd be nuts with studs. And I'll just throw them everywhere. It's... oh, I don't know if... oh, it's probably anti-seize. It is anti-seize. No wonder... oh, I shouldn't get this stuff on my hands. I'll be fine. I'll just wash it after this. I'm gonna pause, or I'm gonna skip to when I get the bolts out and wash my hands. Okay, got all the bolts off, washed my hands. Now it's time to take the cylinder head off. Oh, that was really easy. Oh, okay, there's still coolant in there. But, ooh. Is that water in the cylinder? Did I get water? No. It's just dirty, I guess. That's actually not that bad. My KE100 was, ooh, that was horrible. And I will be cleaning this out thoroughly. Cleaning the whole top end thoroughly. So that looks pretty good. Not too dirty, not too much carbon, pretty clean. So, very clean. Happy with that. Put that right there. Down to the cylinder. And I don't know if in this video, this might be a multiple part video, because I might show a video of me taking apart this cylinder and cleaning it. Might show a video of, I'll probably show, this might be multiple series, which I'm fine with. Maybe I can make a playlist of the playlist of all the engine rebuilds. Oops, these are nasty. These can just get thrown away. Don't need them. Don't care. Yeah, I'll probably make a playlist. Actually, this may be giving me ideas. I think I might make a playlist of bike engine rebuild stuff. Might make a playlist of please don't, thank you. I'll make a playlist of all my riding videos. Probably will. Okay, and the cylinder comes off now. What is this? 12? Yay, finally a 12. These shouldn't be that tight. In theory, they shouldn't be that tight. My theory might be proving me wrong. Because these, according to the manual, you want these at, this to be torqued at 12 foot-pounds, and this, holy cow, and the cylinder head at, okay, that one's loose, thankfully, and you want this cylinder head to be at 30 foot-pounds. How am I going to do this? How am I going to do this? Alright, I sincerely apologize if my fat head is in the way. Okay. Are you kidding me, bro? Yes, thank you. Thank you. Wow. Whew, that was tight. Holy. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if this cylinder is mightily? The hell? I wouldn't be surprised if this cylinder isn't very much stuck on. Actually, I'd be happy if it was, because then I'd know that no issues have occurred. Can you see me? Hope so. Okay then. And the piston's pretty clean. You guys can't see it, but you'll see in a minute. It is surprisingly clean. There we There we go. And just like that, all the cylinder bolts are off. Now I'm hoping I can take this cylinder off without having to take this radiator. Because if I have to take, I won't have to take that radiator hose off. I think I should be safe. I think I should be. I know I should use a rubber mallet, but I don't know what happened to mine, so. Oh yeah, easy peasy. Come on. Come on. Don't know where you're still attached. There we go. There we go. Come on. Please leave. There we go. Okay. This still has coolant in it. Hey, wait a minute. Is this a Nomura piston? Or a Namura? That is, I think this is a Namura, which, so that's epic. Because I like me some Namura. Oh, it's a single, weird. Okay, I need to stuff me my rag in there. I'll check that play. Seems fine, but I'd prefer to keep this pretty spec. It's kind of a weird power valve design, in being the fact that the finger is here and not attached on the side like the Yamahas, the Hondas, the Kawasaki's, the Suzuki's. I think the new KTM's have a more, well, the new ones have electric power valves, so I'm not sure. Beautiful. Okay. Sorry if my head's in the way, guys. Just taking the gasket. Ugh. Was taking the gasket off my. Ugh. Ooh, that's crusty. Can take this out now. And go ahead and push the wrist pin. Come on, there we go. And this is I'm putting a new wrist pin and everything in, so I don't really care what happens to this. I just want it out. Ooh, whoopsies. Please don't do that again. And out we go. Oh no, it's a Vertex. Interesting. Oh, there's the old piston, guys. Just like that, it is out. Pretty well worn. Very well worn. There's like nothing left of those rings. Ah. There's pin bearing. Very nice. And this is the first two-stroke I've taken apart with a power valve, which is kind of cool because if you look in there, there they look. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And it's got side ports that you can't really see. You can see them inside. Maybe not. Hang on. Right here. These. Yeah, I'm gonna save disassembling and cleaning this. I'm gonna save disassembling and cleaning this for a whole nother video, guys, because this one is already 43 minutes long. This is gonna be my longest YouTube video, and it's not the first one either. So there's the cylinder. Pretty happy. Pretty dirty. Actually, very dirty. I'm proud to say this is my first water-cooled top end change. I'm gonna go put my cylinder, the cylinder head. Huh. There's like gears in there. The whole thing is driven by gears. That's cool. Usually it's just driven by little finger. But every brand is different. Except Japanese brands. Pretty much the 4 Japanese brands are very similar. Look at the wear on this wrist pin. That's pretty significant. I'm just gonna throw these out. I don't need them. Don't need them. Just gonna put the pins back into my tool thing. Pretty happy with that. Let me just, I'm gonna wipe this down. Make it pretty nice. And here is the old piston. That is very much in need for the Teflon is just gone on this. I will get my new piston and show you how the new piston's supposed to look. And we'll go from there. I don't need this wrist pin either. I'm going to keep the spark plug on because I'm going to have to get a new one. So I'm going to go get the new one and compare them. Okay guys, here's the old piston. Where are you? There you are. So, pretty worn down. And I also learned while walking to it, if you can see the, if it'll focus, it might not focus. Okay, there we go. If you see, the piston ring is completely worn down. That's as far as it sticks out. No wonder I've lost compression. So, here is new versus old. There we go. New versus old. The new one has 2 rings. That's why I got the Namura. I was gonna get the Vertex, which is this piston. This is a Vertex piston, or Vortex, how you pronounce it. Yeah, Vertex. But pretty much the same piston. Like on the inside, they're very similar. The top, they're very similar. Even the Teflon coating is very similar. The only big difference I like about this is it's got 2 rings, which gives me even more compression. So Thank you guys for... Hang on, actually, I'm going to do a nice outro. Thank you guys for coming along with me on my... Sorry for my finger. Thanks for coming along with me on my top-end rebuild on my 2006 KTM 125 SX. And, oh yeah, while I was gone, I read the manual. I'm allowed to have 0.6 to 1 millimeter of play going side to side. And I measured it. I have exactly 0.7 mil. So that's good. And there is no up or down. There is no up or down play. It's only the side to side, which is in spec. So I'm pretty happy about that. Put the towel in there. Just keep the dust out. So the next video is going to be about cleaning all of this up and maybe doing a little tuning on the power valve, because I want this to be half trail, half race bike, because it's currently in its race bike configuration, and I'm going to keep it that way. But I want it to tune a little bit more friendly for the trails. I don't want it necessarily on and off power. And with these, from what I've read with the Namura pistons, and you guys can tell me what you think about them in the comments, I found these are a lot more reliable than Vertex on the trails and stuff, because they have Teflon coating. I mean, so does the Vertex, but they have an anodized head, and they have dual piston rings for better compression. But this is all kind of, I don't even have a goofy saying for this. So this is part 1. I don't know, there might be 2 or 3 parts, maybe 4. I don't know. I'm gonna see what I can do. Maybe I can find a way to fix this, because if you can see, it's kind of bent inwards and it's got a lot of dents on it. Plus, this tab is severely bent. Yep, but if you can see in there, you might not be able to, but it is really crusty in there. Yeah, maybe that gives you a better idea. The plating on the inside, here, let's get this in the light. But the plating on the inside seems fine. I don't think the camera picks it up, but I see the hatching for the, I don't know, I'm gonna hone it, but I don't know how much I'm gonna do. And cylinder head, very clean. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is my SX125, and hope to see you all in the next video.